IJ280, I think, really takes the best things about all the films that are out in the market right now and put them into one film for a great installation experience.
We really designed this film compared to a lot of other films out in the market that allows for better conformability into deep recesses, allows for great air release for those challenging curves that you have on vehicles, and really is a nice overall film that's going to work well for your commercial vehicle market. You have that good slide, that good control tack experience. You know it's going to stay off the hood or the flat panel until you actually apply pressure. And this is very crucial for a lot of commercial wraps because when you go ahead and tack that, you know it's going to stay down, but when you want that film to remain off the surface, so it allows you to reposition or register your graphics, you're able to do that experience without having any issues there.
IJ280 on bumpers and subtle curves, it really allows you to push film into areas without having to pull out your heat gun every time.
You really can go ahead and stretch that material and go further and know that the film is going to stay down when you do that application. Recesses are one of the challenging parts of these vehicles where a lot of people do commercial cuts because they don't trust that film to stay down.
IJ280 is actually great for deep recesses. With the more conformable film and the optimized adhesive, when you push it into deep recesses, you can trust it's going to stay down. We actually came up with a new comply pattern, and the basis of it is basically channels that go in all directions. And that allows us to push air out in all directions.
And this is great, especially when we go around compound curves. We want to make sure that we have optimal air release in those areas because not every time we're going to hit that squeegee pass, and we want to make sure that if we do have trapped air, we can get that out without having to snap up the film and reposition it. Globally, you have lots of different installers that have different skill sets. You have lots of different vehicles globally as well that have different challenging recesses or different body features that you have to make sure that you can conform and be able to install around. This product, I think it really allows you to be able to hit on those attributes that are needed from all these different installers globally.
Having gone around the world to figure out what installers like on tack and conformability, adhesive, air release, the way it looks after it's applied with the non-visible air release, I really think we hit the sweet spots in all these characteristics.